Dear crypto enthusiasts, you're either here because you're about to start your crypto journey, or you're a well-advanced investor looking for a better solution. As you know, the world of crypto is a wild, wild west. On one side, you have the unregulated crypto casinos that are offering all these type of pump and dump tokens that you get lost. On the other side, you have digital exchanges that are really well done for seasoned traders and institutional investors, but they're a bit too complicated. With SwissBorg, we created the one app that's trusted by over 1 million users in Europe that enables you to finally become financially independent. Our strong mission at SwissBorg is to democratize wealth management by making it fun, fair, and community-centric. In this video, you're going to see the 10 different steps that really enables you to go through your whole investments experience and really build wealth in a sustainable way. But before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Cyrus. I'm the proud founder and CEO of SwissBorg, always here to serve you. Before entering the world of crypto, I worked for a decade in the most prestigious private banks and hedge funds. Rather in this experience, what I've learned is the whole investment journey, how to essentially onboard someone, how to make sure that you set up the right profile of this person. Then going forward, how do you build a portfolio? How do you create risk management in a great way? How do you enable to really build this whole investment experience in the best way possible? And in doing that for the most prestigious people, I said, okay, how can now you take what we learned from, let's say, the TradFi world, and how do you passport into Web3? This is exactly what we've been doing at SwissBorg. And in this video, you're going to see right away how this is done.